Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Vivo model and whether you have FunTouch or Origin OS. This matters because menu labels differ. Now open Settings and go directly to Display or long press the home screen to reach Wallpaper options. Once there, select the wallpaper source, gallery, or default images and pick the photo you want blurred. Make sure the image is selected before you proceed. It keeps the crop and edit tools available. This gets you into the editor, where the blur control lives. You open the editor by tapping Edit or the pencil icon. That reveals crop, filters, and the blur tool. Once in, choose Blur or Effects and move the slider to set strength. Start around 20–30% for subtlety, increase for stronger background separation. Make sure to pinch to crop or drag the image so the main subject stays centered. After adjusting, preview on Lock and Home options, if it looks off. Tweak strength and crop until both views look balanced and readable. You finish by tapping Save or Set, then choose Home Screen, Lock Screen, or both. The system applies the edited image accordingly. Once set, verify the look by returning to the home screen and unlocking the phone. If the blur didn't apply, clear the launcher or Wallpaper app cache and reboot. Make sure you saved edits in full resolution. If the image appears pixelated, re-edit using the original high-resolution photo and reduce compression before saving. This preserves smooth blur and sharp foreground detail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.